Hello everyone, welcome back to TechJams. In today's video, I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on your iPhone. So let's get this up. The first thing that you have to do is to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many temporary software problems and may get voicemail working again. And after you restarted your phone, the next step is to refresh your network connection. Open the control center and turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it off again. You can also do this from setting. Just simply open your setting and turn on airplane mode and turn it off. And another thing to check is live voicemail. Simply tap on setting app, and here scroll down and tap on apps, and here search for phone. Uh, Find it and tap on the phone, and here search for live voicemail and make sure live voicemail is turned on. If it is already on, try turning it off and back on again. Also check your blocked contacts. If someone is blocked, they may not be able to leave your voicemail, so go to your blocked contacts list and make sure the person is not blocked. Next, check for a carrier setting update. Simply just again go to your setting and here tap on general, and at the top of the screen tap on about, and here wait a few seconds. If a carrier update is available, a message will appear on the screen. And that's it. And the next one is you should also make sure your iPhone is updated. Again, go to your settings and tap on general, and here search for software update and install any available updates. If the issue continues, try restarting your network settings this time. Again, go to your settings, general, and scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and here tap on reset, and here choose reset network setting. This will not delete your personal data, but it will reset your network settings. If you have tried all of these steps and voicemail is still is not working, contact your mobile carrier. Your carrier can check if voicemail is included in your plan and help troubleshoot the issue from their side. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix voicemail not working on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechCharms for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.